Hello, and welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, if you are new, welcome. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I make a bow for a small mug gift using my bow dabber. So this is the bow dabber that I have. Well, this is part of it, and this is the other part that holds the ribbon, right? So I'm just going to use these two fingers, and of course I have the middle one. I have chenille stems. Sometimes I use chenille stems, sometimes I use floral wire. In this particular one, I'm going to use chenille stem because I'm just going to take the stem and wrap it around the cellophane bag. All right, so this is ribbon. I think this came from Michaels. I think this is this. I just went in my garage because I was actually looking for the black and red plaid, and I seen this and I just grabbed it. But I think it came from Michaels. I done had it for a while. But anyway, all right. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my ribbon right here on my ribbon holder. I'm going to measure out how long I want my tail to be. And since this is not a really big gift or really big mug, I don't want it to be too long. So I don't have my ruler. I don't know exactly how long this is, but I'm just going to measure it to see. So I'm going to have it that long because, like I said, it's not that big of a gift. So then I'm just going to pinch right here in the middle. Right here, and this is where I'm going to put my chenille stem. Right, so I'm put my chenille stem like that. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put it up to the top like that, and I'm gonna wrap this around right here. I'm gonna wrap this part around the nail right there, right? And then I'm just gonna start forming my bow. So I'm gonna make one loop around here, and I'm gonna pull it kind of tight, right? And then when I get here, I'm going to flip it and wrap it around again. So I want this bow to have 4 loops, and I want my loops to be the same size. So that's why I only have 2 fingers, and I'm just gonna wrap it around those fingers again, the same ones. Like so, like that. And we're gonna do this the same way, and then that's it. Them all the loops that I want. So I'm gonna take that from the bottom. I'm gonna untwist this. Make sure it's still in. It don't go nowhere. And then I'm just gonna wrap my chenille stem around like that. And then I'm going to pull my bow up. So I'm just going to pull it up. All right, and then I'm going to cut. I'm going to cut this the same length as the other one. So my tails will be the same length. All right. And then I'm going to do a dovetail. So I'm just going to fold it in half and cut it like that. And then I just fluff out my bow. And voila, that's it. You just put your loops however you want them, and that's the bow. And again, I'm going to put this on a mug gift. All right, so there we have it. So until next time, y'all have a great one.